Hello and welcome to yet another edition of Market Outlook. This is for the week starting 24th June 2024. Let us start with the Nifty. As you can see here, there is a channel formation and Nifty has broken this channel and gone up, and therefore the support for Nifty is going to be on this line. So probably even if it falls in the next week sometime, the support is going to be on this line. So we could take it as maybe 23,363 or something like that. But one very important thing, if you look at this super trend, it has tried to cross the super trend 4 days in a row, 1 2 3 4 days in a row, and it is quite possible that it will close above the super trend on Monday. And if that happens, then the index is in a blue sky zone and we don't know where it will go to. One possibility is people use Fibonacci. If we look at Fibonacci, then probably we may able to do some kind of so if we use Fibonacci, this will look like well, this is the run from 5th June onwards, 4th June onwards. So if this run is can be used for Fibonacci, then we can see that the next target would be something like 600 points from here. So that is 23,665 plus 600 would be 23,665 plus 600 would be something like 24,265. That seems to be the target. Well, let's hope for the best. All this depends upon what happens on the 1st of July when the new budget is presented. So let's keep our fingers crossed. Sensex is the same thing. You can see here the support is around 76,674. It has come very near to the support and gone up. So there's a very strong support on this line. Let's look at Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty had a phenomenal run and then it also broke the channel and also hit the it has also hit the support line and gone up on 21st only. So again it has to cross this super trend of 51,891, and from there it is in a blue sky zone. So everything seems to be in a very good zone, poised for a great run from here. So let's expect something like 3 or 4% run from here. Let's continue with the stocks. Asian Paints is in the bullish zone only, but it's neither breaking upwards or downwards. So as of now there doesn't seem to be any trade. If you are holding it, then keep a stop loss. The stop loss has to be around 2863. Britannia, there has been a small dip, but you can revise your stop loss to 5300 and continue holding it. The real fall will only come if it falls below this number of 5528. So nothing to worry about it. Cipla, keep holding. Revise your stop loss to 1502 and keep holding. Eicher Motors has given a buy signal on 13th June. Yeah, on 14th June, and from there it has been moving up. There have been a lot of 4 red candles, but there's nothing to worry as long as you keep a stop loss of 4718 and keep holding it. Nestle again, the stop loss is on this line somewhere here. So, I had already mentioned that this is a triangle which has been broken on the upward side. This target is already reached, but you could still keep holding it with this blue line as the stop loss. Grasim has given a breakout on 20th June, and you can see here that the target is uh, indeterminate because it is going to be in a uncharted territory. Hero Motors, please keep a strict stop loss at 5327. If it breaks that, then you'll find a nice fall in it up to probably 4920. Hindalco, there's nothing to worry. There was a scare on 5th June and 4th June and 5th June. Now there's nothing to worry. I think we are poised for something like 713 or so. Hindustan Unilever has given a scare now. It is expected if it crosses this 2413 and closes below this, then you can find that it will go straight to 2288. ITC is already in a bad zone. But there is no trade in it. There doesn't seem to be any downside nor the upside, so it's going to move along this range of 440 and 415. L&T broke down on 4th June, and then from there it went all the way to the lowest on this day happened to be 3175. From there it went on a rampage for something like 10 days or so up to 13th June. Then now it's again back. There is no trade as such, and it will keep moving in this range until it crosses this 3767 to start going up. M&M, no worries, just keep your stop loss at 2760. Reliance gave a breakdown on 4th of June, and then from there it has been moving sideways. It has to cross this 3066 to start a new up move. Until then, hold. Tata Consumers, no worry until it breaks this level of 1051. Tata Motors gave a breakout on 18th, on 13th, and then but it has not moved at all. So unless it goes above this 1010, there is no hope for it, and the stop loss seems to be 962. Tata Steel, there is nothing to worry. Just revise your stop loss to 166 and keep holding. Yeah, it's a deep stop loss. Wipro has given a breakout on 7th June. From there it has been moving up. The next target is 516. Apollo Hospitals gave a breakout on 12th June. From there, now next target is the nearest target, that seems to be 6396. Dr. Reddy's has to cross 6123 to start moving up. Titan had a good run, and then it has been falling, but it has to fall below 3327 to really give a sell signal. SBI has to cross 888 to start a new up move. Until then, there is no move. Sri Ram Finance has been doing extremely well. Keep holding it, keep adding your positions, keep at stop loss of 2678, and enjoy the ride. BPCL has to cross 335. BPCL has to cross 335 to start an up move. Kotak Bank gave a breakout on 3rd June itself, and from there it has started moving up. The target is 1809 and 1842. Infosys gave a breakout on 6th June. From there it has been moving up. These targets are already achieved. 1558 target is achieved. Next target is 1598. Bajaj Finance, there's one tight stop loss of 7055, or a sell signal will only come at 6823. Until then you can hold. Adani Enterprises, highly volatile. It has given a sell signal on 4th of June. From there it has recovered a little bit, but still recovery is not over. As of now it's in a no trade zone. It has to actually cross the half of this candle and close. It has not, it has closed only once, that too with a red candle. I think it has to do much more to start moving up. Sun Pharma has to cross above 1553 to start its up move. Until then there is no trade. Well, JSW Steel has been doing extremely well. You can expect it to be a 1000 rupee stock in the near future. HDFC Bank, after a long time, has given a breakout on 14th June. From there it has been moving up. Targets are 1682 and 1716. TCS has not yet given a breakout. Last time in my last video I had said that I am hoping for this breakout. This didn't happen. The breakout will come only at 3895. The moment it crosses 3895 and closes above it, that is the time to buy, with a target of 3982 and 4047. So 4000 can be a very, very safe target. ICICI Bank is at 1158. The breakout will come only if it crosses 1170. Power Grid is at 325. The breakout will come only if it crosses 341. Maruti has done extremely well. Now there is a very, very strong possibility of a breakdown. If it breaks down below 12089, then you can expect a big sell off to 11760, and then this level of 11560, and later on to 10,981. NTPC has to cross above 385 to give a meaningful breakout. IndusInd Bank, the short term looks like a flag formation here. If it breaks out this flag formation, and then you can expect this 1587, and once it breaks out of 1587 you can expect a new high of 1700 or so. Axis Bank has been doing extremely well. Just revise your stop loss to 1202 and keep holding. HCL Tech gave a breakout on 6th June, and from there it has been moving up. Target is 1528. ONGC has to cross about 283 to give a meaningful breakout. Coal India has to cross above 520 to be a meaningful breakout. Bharti Airtel has to cross 1445 to start moving on its upward journey. Tech Mahindra has done extremely well after it gave a breakout on 6th June. This is 21st June. The candle is very large with two large tails, but the body is very small, and that too a red body. So it's a cause of concern, but I don't think one should be afraid of it, because there is always there have been higher lows and higher higher lows and higher highs. This candle itself shows that 1440 is easily achievable. LTIM gave a breakout on 7th June, and from there it's been moving up. The next target is 5406. Divi's Lab has been doing extremely well. Keep invested. Keep a stop loss of 4433. Adani Ports has to break above 1576 to start its upward journey. We are back to HDFC Life. It gave a breakout on 13th June. From there it has been moving down, but Nevertheless, this is a long-term stock. If you are interested in making long-term money, then please keep investing in any life insurance company. SBI is about to give a breakout, and if it breaks out above this 1473, then you can expect a very good run up to 1535. Nevertheless, stay invested in any life insurance company. Ultratech gave a breakout on 23rd May only, and then from there it has been moving up. Of course, it gave a scare on the 4th of June, but that's all right. I think the stop loss is 10484, that's 10,484. You can stay invested. Bajaj Auto has to cross 10,039, sorry, it has to close below 9,333 to actually fall down. So until then, stay invested. Bajaj Finserv has yet to give you this breakout. It will give a breakout only if it closes above 1631. From there, it will be a one-way traffic until 17,000. With that, we come to the end of this week's edition of Market Outlook. Please share this video, subscribe to this video, and also click on the bell icon so that you get notification whenever I post new videos. As I said earlier, I am starting with financial literacy set of videos in the next week. That will help a lot of people to onboard themselves on the financial markets. Thank you very much. Happy investing.